Isikhulu sakwa ESkom sithi amaziko lenkampani okuphehla ugesi angaphansi kwenkulu incindezi. Alahlekelwe ngamandla ogesi angu 15,000 megawatts.
Due to the loss of Medupi, Kendall and Duva units, we now have insufficient generation capacity at our disposal. And as such, we have no alternative but to implement stage 2 load shedding from 2 o'clock this afternoon until 5 o'clock on Saturday morning, the 20th of November.
NgoLwesibili, iEskom ithe ama-generator amahlanu amaziko ayo okuphehla ugesi ehluleke ukusebenza usuku lonke. Eyodwa ekusile ibika ukuthi ibivuza. Isikhulu sithi lokhu ke kuyadumaza kakhulu.
It is, however, disappointing that we have a new plant that is not performing as it should, and clearly that has that's indicative of the state of our new build plants, that they are not delivering as they should. And clearly that is part of the reason why we are facing significant constraints.
iEskom ithi kunezinkinga emazikweni ayo agcina ugesi obekelwe ethala uma kunezimo eziphuthumayo. Kanti futhi ingase iphelele udizili obekiwe ngenxa yokusetshenziswa kwawo kakhulu.